Brainworx is proud to present to you the BX dynEQ V2, the Swiss Army knife of the dynamic equalizers that you can use to compress, gate, equalize, or enhance individual instrument tracks as well as your master track. The BX dynEQ V2 is a mini bundle in itself, containing the BX dynEQ mono, stereo, left and right, and mid-side plugins. This dynamic equalizer automatically changes its frequency response according to characteristics of the signal passing through it, meaning that the signal you mix controls how the EQ responds and changes its sound. Preset knobs in the interface enable the engineer to find good starting points fast and easy despite of the complexity of this new monster. The use of the dynEQ is very intuitive and simple. You can either start by selecting one of the 4 presets for equalization, compression, the de-esser, or the boost feature, or quickly set your own settings for the sound you desire. For a fast start, simply solo the key section, select the type of frequency curve you want to apply to the key section from a great number of available preset curves, and then select your desired trigger frequency. Then find your desired response in the dynamic section with the threshold, the attack and the release, and move on to the EQ section where you can also select the type of frequency curve that is applied. Then simply dial in the frequency you want to manipulate and enjoy the result. You can choose whether to cut or boost the frequency and select the max gain. A lot of the functions and controls of the dynEQ are linkable for a faster workflow and greater control, and you can copy and paste 4 individual settings per instance. In the stereo or MS mode, you can also change the balance of the track and widen the stereo image. The new external sidechain input lets your mixes pump in sync with the individual signals and lets you create crazy effect sounds as well. With the sidechain button, you can select whether the triggering frequency comes from within the track the dynEQ is on or from an external track. The new inverse mode allows for really new and fresh sounds and results beyond the average for mixing, mastering, and sound design. You'll be surprised how much this feature may change your mixing habits and possibilities. Our well-known and innovative BX Boom plugin is actually just one preset of the BX dynEQ V2, demonstrating the superior mid-side features of this EQ beast. Stripped down to only 2 parameters, and with an easier graphic design, this tool enables you to attenuate or boost the impact of your bass drum sound in a final mix or a complete stereo drum loop. BX Boom is available as an individual plugin authorization, but with BX dynEQ, you get the same and can even tweak its settings. The dynEQ V2 is available for Mac and Windows platforms in VST, Audio Unit, RTAS, TDM, and Venue formats. Just go to www.brainworx-music.de where you can download all of our plugins and test them for 14 days without any restrictions or limitations.